there! After the video, please make sure to visit our sponsor, theclickengine.net. The ClickEngine service will send super high-quality clicks to your affiliate links on autopilot every single month. Go to theclickengine.net and see the customer success stories for yourself. Thanks. Now enjoy the video.
If you want to make serious money as an affiliate marketer, you need to be running the best affiliate programs. Today, I'm going to show you precisely how to find the best affiliate programs online. I'm going to show you a couple of tools I use to find out everything that I want to know about an affiliate program before I start running it. We're going to talk about strategies on picking the best offers, where you can find these offers, all of that stuff in this video. So let's get started. I'm going to go in my computer and I'm going to show you the tools and the strategies to find affiliate offers for whatever niche you happen to choose in your business. Okay, let's talk about how to find the best affiliate programs. If you're an affiliate marketer, you need to be a member of some affiliate networks because it gives you access to hundreds of different offers, most of the time in many, many different niches. If you are not a member of an affiliate program or a member of an affiliate network, then you need to apply to these networks to get accepted. This means you need to have a professional website built and some content related to some particular niche that you are focusing on. That is why you need a website, because in order to get access to some of the best affiliate programs in the world, you need to get accepted into some of the top networks in the world, including places like Perform CB, which is one of the top CPA affiliate networks, a place like CJ.com, which gives you access to thousands of affiliate offers around the world, places like ShareASale, Max Bounty, ClickBank. All of these are affiliate networks that you need to apply to and sign up to. In some cases, some will let you write in, but when you get into these affiliate networks, you also need to apply to offers and get access to specific advertisers. So you will need to have a professional website and you will need to be professional yourself when you're dealing with these people and talking to them. For example, if I want to run National Debt Relief as a lead generation offer available on ShareASale, I need to apply to National Debt Relief. So there's really two layers of approval here. I need to get approved into ShareASale first, then I need to get approved by National Debt Relief. So where do you find some of the best networks to sign up to? This is a good spot here, mthink.com. If you come here and search best CPA networks on their site, you'll see every year they do a voting system where affiliates can vote the top networks. And you can see here Perform CB, the one I just mentioned, is number one. And as you go down the list, you have many others. Here's Max Bounty, just mentioned them as well. And again, you'll see a whole bunch of networks you can sign up to here. You can have a look here and do some more searches about these networks before you apply so that you know they have the offers related to whatever niche you have chosen. Once you're in the networks, each of the networks typically have a way of filtering out what are the best offers. But it really comes down to first, what traffic type are you going to focus on when you start setting up your affiliate programs. Now, I've done many videos on traffic. We also have a course over at powerhouseaffiliate.com where you can sign up and take our traffic course. We talk about multiple different traffic sources there, so I'm not going to ramble on about that, but a lot of these networks filter out what you are allowed to do based on the traffic type. So, for example, inside Max Bounty, if I want to focus just on search ads, which is Google ads or Microsoft ads or Apple maybe, you can start filtering out and set your search options to only show programs that allow search traffic. If you're a search engine optimization affiliate where you're building a website and you have a whole bunch of traffic already, then in most cases you can run pretty much all of these offers. But keep in mind that a lot of these offers have a lifespan, so if you're creating content around it, remember that some of these offers will eventually expire. Now, the next thing you want to do to find the best affiliate program is sort by EPC. This is the earnings per click based on an average over the entire network of affiliates. So they'll say, hey, we'll combine all the clicks that all the affiliates sent to this offer and we'll divide it by how much revenue we've made, and this is the earnings per click. Okay, you can see here this one is $16.97 on average for every click affiliates send to this offer, which is pretty good, but you have to keep in mind that some affiliates might skew the results where they're doing really highly targeted traffic, or they're doing a call center where 70% of their leads are converting, and it might skew the numbers a bit on some of these offers. So keep that in mind when you don't just always rely on the EPC. But this will give you an indication as to what are the best offers in the network. Now, if you're focused on a particular vertical or category over here, let's say I'm only focused on financial offers. I have a website around finance. I want to focus on finance. Then you can categorize your search here and select financial, and then you apply search options. Now, what you'll also notice, like I said, on these networks, is you will need to apply to the offers themselves. So you might think you found the best affiliate program, and then you're like super excited, but now you realize, oh, I don't have access. Look at this credit scores one, is perfect for my website, but now I have to request approval. This is why you need a website, because when you request approval, they're going to ask you, well, how are you going to promote it? Can you show us one of your previous websites? Can you tell us a little more about your affiliate business? Blah, blah, blah. So you need to have that ready to show them so that you can get access. You also need to tell them what your marketing plan is when you're choosing these types of offers. So another strategy is to use ClickBank, which is kind of cool as well, because ClickBank usually lets affiliates into their network right away. You can get access to these offers, especially if you're in certain countries. So you could sign up and you probably don't even need a website to get access to ClickBank offers. When you log into ClickBank and you click on the marketplace link up here, you can see the offers available. And again, you can categorize each of these. These are the overarching niches, but then as you expand, there's even more categories. But you can also search up here, for example, financial. If I wanted to see if there's any types of financial offers, I could come here and do a search. And one of the ways to see what the best offers are available on here is to sort by gravity. This is kind of a similar way of sorting what are the best offers on this network, because they rate theirs by gravity. You can do some more research on what gravity is, but a high gravity score is a good sign that affiliates are making money. So here's one here, wealth manifestation offer taking the market by storm. If I wanted to see what this looks like, I can just click on it and it'll show me the actual website. This is a video sales letter. You can see here that this offer is doing quite well. So that's another way to find the best affiliate programs on ClickBank, is simply do that type of filter. Another strategy for finding the best affiliate programs when you're inside of a network is to utilize your affiliate manager or account manager. As you can see, I am inside Perform CB, and this is the type of network that provides you an account manager. Same as Max Bounty, you can see here my account manager. These people are very helpful in telling you what is the best offer on our network based on what they see behind the scenes. So these people are your friends. Become friends with your affiliate manager. Tell them what you're doing, what your plan is, and usually you can get approved within minutes of choosing an offer, and they'll tell you what is the best offer, because as you can see on Perform, they don't typically have the earnings per click displayed here. But if I go and ask my account manager, look, I'm looking to set up a Google ad. Here's what I think for a landing page. What do you think? Is that a good idea? And what do you think is the best offer right now for search traffic? Then I would get an answer within a couple of minutes, and we would do a test. And that is how I would use my affiliate managers to my benefit and to their benefit as well, because they make more money if they help me, basically, because they get paid usually by a commission. So make sure you take advantage of your affiliate managers. So when you're asking to get approval to these offers and describing your strategy. Lastly, I want to introduce a couple of tools you can use to find affiliate offers. There are 3 spy tools here. You can get access down below in the description. I have some links for some free trials. The first one is SEMrush. You can do advertising research and find out all of the competitors, and you can see the actual affiliate programs they're running, and we're going to do that here in a second. Another program you can use, especially for display ads and native, is Adplexity. Use this tool to find out what affiliates are doing. You can filter for how many days their ads have been running, and you can start seeing exactly what affiliate programs they're running. And lastly, Pippi Ads is a new one as well. You can get a free trial down in the description for that at dayjobhacks.com/Pippi Ads. And this will give you access to all of the ads running on TikTok right now. And you can drill right down to their landing pages and see what offers these affiliates are running. Now, when you find those offers and you're wondering where they got them, simply come to a place like Offer Vault and search for that offer, and you might be able to find the exact network that these affiliates are running on. You can see it displays the network where these offers might be available. You could also simply do a Google search for the affiliate program, and you could probably find it that way. Okay, so one last thing here inside SEMrush. Let's say I want to run something like in the debt relief niche category. And so what I'll do is I'll come into a place like SEMrush. I will click the advertising tab here, advertising research, and I'll pick one of the top domains in that category, which would be something like National Debt Relief, which is the offer I might plan on running. So what I'll do is now I can search them and see what types of ads they're actually running. But best of all, I can find affiliates and what affiliate programs those affiliates are running. And to do that, you can see here, I can click on competitors. So I'm going to click on competitors. And now what I'll see is all of the paid competition against National Debt Relief. And I will find affiliates in here. For example, Top Consumer Reviews, that would be an affiliate website. There are other ones here as well. Just from doing previous research, I can tell some of these are affiliates and some of them are real brands. Finance Buzz is an affiliate. I've seen that one before. And I can start scrolling down. Top 10 personal loans, that would be an affiliate as well. Let's see what this person is running here. Clicked on it, and now it is loading their program. And I can see here all of their paid search positions and their ad copies, and I can see their landing pages as well. So you can see they are bidding on debt consolidation, and to see the landing page, I'll simply click on that link. And now I can see they are running 7 affiliate programs for debt relief. So now I can start looking for these affiliate programs myself, knowing that they could be potentially good programs for me to run. If somebody else has been running them, I can see their ads. I can see they've been running for a long time. All of their ad history, all of their ad copies. Again, you can get this free at dayjobhacks.com/SEMrush. And you can try and do this type of research to find deep down what are affiliates really running, what are the best affiliate programs out there, and how do I get access to those. Hopefully that was a nice little video to give you an insight as to how to find the best affiliate programs. If you have more questions, come to dayjobhacks.com. Join our free newsletter there. We have weekly newsletters coming out about different strategies on how to be an exceptionally great digital marketer. Thanks for watching and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.